Hi, I'm Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw mountains inside of Photoshop. First thing you want to do is go up to File, open up a new document. You can make it whatever size you want. I'm at 1280 by 720. And we're going to get the paint tool, the brushes. Make sure it's black, and then we'll Control J to copy the background layer. And we'll bring down the brush, to about 10 pixels. And then just draw as many mountains as you want. The easiest way to do it, to make sure they're straight lines, is to click once, come up to your next point, hold down Shift before you click, then click, and that draws a straight line for you. I'll just make a couple. And there we go. There we go. Alright, next we'll just add the snow caps again just by clicking and holding down Shift and making straight lines. Fix that. Last one. Next thing you want to do is add a new layer to color in. You can color it in any way that you want to. I'm going to use a gradient, and then by using a mask I'll subtract everything else around the mountains. So we'll actually go down to new layer, go over to gradient tool, from black to white, that. Bring down the opacity a little bit just so I can see what I'm doing. And then we'll add a mask to this and just increase my brush size just by a little bit using the brackets on the keyboard as a shortcut. And I'm just going to erase around the mountain. You can get as technical as you want with it. Make that a little bit smaller. We'll get the big stuff first. I'll just do one for now. Yeah. And pull down the hardness there just by right clicking and dragging down the hardness to 0. There you go. That's pretty much how you color in a mountain there. Last thing you want to do is go down to File, Save As, and rename your document. That's pretty much it. I'm Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions. Thank you for watching.